Hi there, Jay here with Eskuad. Welcome to Eskuad University. In this video, we'll cover how to create an account with Eskuad. We want to show you how easy it is to get set up and running with any account in Eskuad. For this, we'll invite Enrique, one of our customer success specialists in English. Enrique, take it on.
Welcome to Eskuad. Let's create your free account. There's a couple of ways you can do this. The first option is to click this orange Use It Free button, which will redirect you to the sign up page. The other option is to click this Sign Up Free button in the top right, which will also redirect you to the sign up page. From here, you can create your free account using either one of the single sign-on options or with your email. For your email, you'll just enter general information about yourself and create your account. For single sign-on, you'll select your single sign-on option, confirm it, and then select your account you'd like to use to sign in. Once your account is created, you'll be guided through a quick onboarding, which will consist of a few questions and confirming your preferences, such as time zone options and date layout. Once you've completed the quick onboarding process, you'll be taken to this welcome page. Now you're ready for the field. Now you can begin digitizing all of your forms and start to unleash the true power of Eskuad. Thank you for watching.
So there it is. That's how you create an account with Eskuad. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, share it, follow our social media, and please make sure to visit our website if you want to optimize the operational aspects of your business, eskuad.com. Cheers!